Hey guys, welcome to this NinjaPips.com video. I'm Carlo Cabrera, and I just want to share with you this awesome method that really helped me start profiting consistently in the Forex market. Okay, when we first get into this business, there's so many different teachers, so many different methods, so much craziness. This business is huge. It's really easy to get overwhelmed. Imagine if there was a way where you had a couple of rules you had to follow. You see this, you do that. You see this, you enter here. You see that, you exit there. That's simple, right? And that's exactly what I'm gonna try to show you today. I'll make this short and quick. Just want to get to the point. I want you all to learn this system, try it out, and please let me know how this works out for y'all. Okay, how to simply and enter exit profitable trades. That's all we're going to focus on in this whole presentation. It's the business we're in. Now, our method comes from the understanding that whenever we're looking at a chart, it's either in a trend or a correction. And that's it. And if you think anything else, I'm not sure what to tell you. Okay? So trends and corrections. That's all we ever see on these charts. For us to help us identify these trends and corrections, we're going to use multiple moving averages. We're going to be using the Guppy method, made famous by Daryl Guppy. And I actually learned this from Scott Schubert. He's one of my trading coaches and mentors. And just for the record, I also trade with Wealth Generators and Team Ocean Sky. So anyone looking to trade with me live, those are the only three teams I'm trading with at the moment. These are the settings for our moving averages for the Guppy method setup. Make sure to click on all exponential and apply to the close. And I mean, you could write this down, take a picture of it, or come back to the video. But I'll definitely make the templates available for everyone to download. Next in the system, we're going to set up our stochastic oscillator, and this identifies market direction and turning points for us. And these are the settings. And definitely make sure all signal lines removed, exponential, and applied to close. Okay? Now the method. It's super simple. These are only things we're going to follow in this method. First thing, we're going to notice a trend in process. Then we're going to a shorter time frame, and this method works on any time frames, but we're going to start with a longer time frame, and then on a shorter time frame, once we spot a trend, and approximately a quarter to 1/8 of the larger time frame, and enter in the direction of that trend on a continuation. And continuations are moving averages crossing into the direction of a trend or compressing and continuing with angle and separation. That's it. These are only things we're looking for with this method. Now, what does this look like? Okay, once we install the templates or put in the settings on our own, this is what it's going to look like. And this is MetaTrader 5. And I got templates for both MetaTrader 5 and 4. I actually do most of my charting on MT5 and because I like the multiple time frames. But then I'll go into my MT4 and actually put in the trades. But I actually still chart on MT4. I chart on both. But that's my general process. And so if we go back to what we just learned, we're going to spot a trend, which is the first step. And trends are identified by these gaps. Whenever there's gaps between the slow and the faster moving averages, that represents a trend. And this trend is going up, okay? Just these gaps, the space in between. And right here, all this choppy movement is the corrections. And this is where a lot of people lose money. We only make money whether the market's going up or down. So when it's all sideways, it's super hard to make money. I mean, it's possible, but it's a lot more difficult. But anyways, so we spot a trend, and then we go, since I'm on the 4 hour right now, I'm gonna go 1 hour and enter on the continuation of the trend in this 1 hour time frame. Okay? And to make things crystal clear, this choppiness is a correction. But once we see compression and separation, angle and separation, that's when we want to get in. Okay? And we stay in till we see our exit signal, which is when they cross back up and then we get out. And once we notice angle and separation after compression, we're back in this trade. And we're going to ride it till we see our exit. And now that we have a clear exit, we're going to stay in. A lot of people will see price action get up to here, start dropping, go crazy, and get out of the trade. For no reason, just no reason. We know price action goes up and down. That's why we need crystal clear signals on our actions, and it makes Forex super easy for us. So if we did everything proper, and let's say we entered right here, and we rode this trend till our exit, when it starts crossing again, okay? We would have made, from a perfect entry there, and getting out about here, 210 pips. That is a 210 pip move on the hourly chart, and this happens to be a NZD CHF. So, I mean, when I first learned this, it just blew my mind. It makes everything real visual. The market's organic, and if you put this on the 1 minute, you could actually literally see the market move. I don't know if it's just me, and I'm a nerd, but that was awesome. But when you have these visual signals, like, it makes it really easy to virtually never lose a trade again. Virtually. I mean, we're still going to lose. It's impossible not to lose any trades. But this will definitely increase your chances of making a lot of money, catching a lot of pips in Forex. Okay? And almost forgot the stochstics. We use that for verification. See, right one, and these actually start kind of appearing before the actual trend. So once we get into this level, it represents a turning point to go back up. Okay. If you can see what that looks like. Okay. And then there's some false signals to exit on this stochastics. That's why it's just a guide. It's not 100%. But you see, we just bounced off. So that bouncing off and represents a continuation. Once we intersect, it's an exit. I don't know how else to make that crystal clear for y'all. So please try this method out, and definitely let me know if that works out for you. To download the templates, we're gonna go to my Facebook page, facebook.com/NinjaPips, and definitely shoot me a like, and please do share this with as many people as you care about in this Forex business. And you're going to be able to sign up for the templates in this sign up button above. Okay? Thank you for watching. Please let me know how this method works out for you. And if people start doing really good with this method and start learning and want me to make more videos, I'd love to. But if nobody cares, I'm just going to focus on trading. So please give me some feedback on this video. And you could hit me up on or email me at carlofx@facebook.com. Call me or check me out on my website. And if you need a broker, I use Talonx. They offer free demo accounts if you want to try this system for free and see if you can double your demo account. And if you double your demo account, there's no reason why you shouldn't go live and start your Forex business. Okay? I'll talk to y'all soon.